Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. I'm so happy that you could join me tonight. And I want to say thank you to my wonderful subscriber, Mary, who was so generous and kind, and she sent me a brand new HEIDI in the color Pecan Delight. I thought it might be fun to do something a little bit different with this HEIDI. So, I thought, what if we styled our wigs with hair pieces? So, I have a braided scarf, a wraparound pony, and a wispy wrap, and they're all in 812A. And I got those all on a sale with a percentage off because Paula Young is always having sales. So if you haven't signed up yet, go to their website and sign up for their email coupon codes. And they send codes all the time. And then also don't forget to request a catalog because there's great codes and great sales on there too. So I'm going to open these up and show them to you. So this is the braided scarf. She does have a little clip on the sides here. I don't know how those are going to work, but I was thinking that she would be really cute to wear in HEIDI. So we're going to give her a try, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the other ones that I got too. So this is the wraparound braid. So this is going to go around your ponytail, then the hair is going to wrap around that to cover this part, and then the scarf. So we're going to try that. We're going to try her in a partial with this on top and see how that works. It's an experiment. And then the wispy wrap, I have some of these that I've used in the past on my own bio hair. So the wispy wrap just looks like that. So I was thinking it would be cute. We could do either a little messy top knot bun with her, or I could do an updo with a little wispy wrap. All right, so let's get going. Let's get styling. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the braided headband. Oh, I could be like 80s. Let's get physical, physical. Sorry. All right, so I just put my hair up so that I can put the headband on and easily tie it at the back. So I'm securing with a bobby pin on one side, then bringing over to the other side and securing with a bobby pin. Now I'll tie it at the back and then just add some more bobby pins if you need to hold. So that's what I'm doing here. And then take the hair down and I'm just fluffing it up. You know how I like it. All right, so what do you guys think? Very cute. You know, it gives me that Priscilla Presley vibe from back in the 70s. All right, let's just spin around and take a peek. So that's cute. I mean, you do have to kind of probably coordinate your outfit. But it's cute. And honestly, it's black and white, so it pretty much, I'm wearing blue. I think it looks fine. I think it looks really cute. They don't have these in honey. They don't have them in buttered toast. So, but they did have it in 812A. So I do think it's cute. Now, one thing, the clips, I really couldn't get the clips to clip into the wig. Probably if it was on your own scalp, you would have sort of a way to kind of snap it down. I couldn't do that. So I don't know if you saw in the little sped up version, I added some bobby pins just to hold it. It's very secure. And honestly, I feel like it gives you a little extra security. So if you were going out to an outside event, let's just see how it might look if we kind of put the back up. Like, I wonder if that will hide the wig line, the way it's tied. So I'm just going to do this messily, but I just kind of want to, I'm curious to know if that will work. So let's do that with the big claw clip and see. I'm going to have to grab my mirror so I can peek too. You know, and you can add more tendrils out if you like more out. I just did a couple. And the nice thing about Heidi with wearing this is she's the lace front. You cannot see anything. Looks super natural. So that does. Look at that, you guys. It does. It hides the wig line. That's cute. I mean, that's actually really cute. I like it. Wow, I mean, a little challenging to put it on and get it to hold, but just by adding the bobby pins, no, I think I added 3 just on the sides here. It works. I like it. The wraparound braid may be a little more challenging. It looks a little intimidating. I'm gonna try it and we'll see. So I'm just going to start by combing the hair up and gathering in a half ponytail at the top of my head. And then just secure with a binder. Now I'm taking the hair piece and wrapping it around. Kind of flip the ponytail up, and there's a little Velcro piece that you secure. And then that loose, long hair, wrap that around the pony. I'm securing at the back with a bobby pin. And then I'll wrap the scarf around that and also secure at the back underneath with a bobby pin. Now you see that extra hair of Heidi that's hanging out from the ponytail. So I am just gonna weave that back through that braid. And then I'm just gonna hold that in place with another bobby pin. So it's a little challenging to work with it, but it works and it's really cute. All right, so this one was a little bit more challenging, as you can see. So there is a little Velcro piece, so that has to be Velcroed under the pony. I wrap the hair around, then I bobby pinned that, not up in the ponytail, just on the back of the head there. Same with the wrap. But then the extra hair from Heidi was hanging out, so I weaved that extra hair into the braid and secured with a bobby pin. So you have to be of the mindset that you're going to play and you're going to make it work. But it is really cute. I think it blends perfectly. I mean, you could try other ways of doing it. It might even be cute to try to take the hair down and then maybe twist it in. That could be like a cute look on the side. And I totally already, I'm already liking that. Look at that. Just kind of a fun way to dress up your wigs, I think, by adding some extra hair accessories and blending them in. I would think too that you could wrap it. Oh, you could be like the Grecian goddess and you could wrap it around on top. And then you really feel kind of mod. I mean, you could do some cute things, you know, like I said, just play. Play and have fun. I mean, if I had long, beautiful hair, I would. But I don't, but I have wigs. Yay, I have wigs. So let's try the wispy wrap. I'm going to try to do kind of a little, maybe semi-formal up to partial do, something. I don't know. We'll figure it out along the way.
For the updo, I'll gather some of the hair at the top of the head. Now twist it at the back and then bump it forward. Now use a couple bobby pins to secure. Now I'll gather a little hair on the side, twist it, tug on that twist to loosen it up a little bit, wrap it over that bobby pin that secured the top, and bobby pin it on the side. Now I'm going to do the same on this side, twist, then tug on the twist to relax it a little bit, and then bobby pin around the other side. So you're crisscrossing those twists. Now I'm going to do another one, tug on it, bobby pin it, and on the other side again, twist it, tug on it, and bobby pin it over, so you're crisscrossing each time. Now the remaining hair I will gather at the back in a ponytail. So just use your ponytail binder. On the final time, don't pull the hair all the way through. You can leave a little of the ends out to kind of twist around. And now I'll grab that wispy wrap and wrap it around that little pony bun. Now just kind of loosen everything up and get it the way you want it. Tug on the ends. And I decided to add a little bit of flowers for some flair and some pizzazz. But what a fun style.
So what do you guys think about the formal do with the wispy wrap? That looks super cute and natural. And you can take more time if you were truly going to a wedding or an event and you wanted that formal style. But just twisting it, that was really pretty simple. That was probably more simple than the braid. Cute. Because this style is darker than my bio hair, which actually is kind of white gray, I just used the medium brown root spray. So of course on the top, because this is a lace front, I didn't have to worry about that. So all of my top hair I just pull back and under the wig grip, and I just pull out the sides, and then I just take my medium brown root spray and spray that to blend. Somebody else had asked me that question. What do you do if your hair isn't the same color? I just root spray my hair, and it doesn't have to match. I don't care if my bio sides are a little bit darker. It just looks like rooting on the wig. To me, it looks natural. I don't have any problem with that. I pretty much always will pull out the sides so that you see that kind of how my hairline comes here. I want you to see that, because then I just think that really helps for the natural effect. And I just don't think that you can tell unless you are a wig wearer. What did you guys think about buying the hair accessories to accessorize your wigs? I just thought this might be a little fun video and something a little bit different. So I want you to think outside the box, be creative, have fun. If we don't have real hair, at least we can have fun with this beautiful faux hair. So that's what I just want to encourage all of you to do. Don't be afraid to play with your wigs. Your wigs are not China dolls. Your wigs are meant to play with. Play with them like you would play with your own hair. Trust me, they're synthetic styles. The styles are baked in. You're not going to lose the style. I promise you. I promise you. I want you to mess them up. I want you to have fun. I want you to be creative. So I hope that I have inspired you guys, and I thank you so much. I love all of my subscribers. You're fabulous. Let's all thank Mary again for generously sending me this beautiful HEIDI in Pecan Delight. I just absolutely love her. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. I have got new videos on the way, so stay tuned. I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.